Hey everyone, this is Shagun and you're watching Tipistic Boys. Today we'll discuss that should you buy Lightroom presets which many creators sell. Before starting, I just want to tell you that these all are my opinions, so the final decision is obviously up to you that should you buy the presets or not. So okay, you might have seen creators selling their presets of Adobe Lightroom or Adobe Photoshop on Instagram, on YouTube or on other websites. They say that if you use your presets and when you will just do a single click, you can grow your Instagram following, you can get thousands of followers, thousands of likes or something, you can increase your engagement or something. Now to be honest, most of the creators who sell their presets don't really work well with their photographs. I experienced it, okay? Now I know that every preset have its own capability and not every preset suits to every photograph, but sometimes not even single photograph gets enhanced by these presets. All I want to say is beware from whom you buy presets. They will show you before and after of their presets, but don't get ready to buy presets just by seeing one before and after. Ask your creator to show you more effects by their presets. Oh, wait a second. Okay, ask your creator to show you more of effects by their presets. I'm not saying that all creators do the same. You will find creators who actually creates presets which work well with maximum photographs. And if you are also buying from a good creator, or if you yourself create presets which work well with maximum photograph, then it's cool and it's great. But just think that if the preset pack which you bought with your precious money doesn't works well with your photos, then your money is just wasted on something you didn't want it. So again, I'm saying beware from whom you buy presets. Ask them to show you more effects. Also, sometimes the preset pack which you are buying, the same type of presets you can get for free. Especially sometimes when I look for like orange and teal presets, there are some creators who actually sell presets for like $40 of just orange and teal, but there are thousands of creators who are actually giving away orange and teal preset for free, including me. Okay, now one thing that I noticed is you will see reviews of those presets like they are really great. I'm happy that I bought your preset pack and other things like that, but there are many chances that those reviews are made by their friends, or there are chances that they are even made by themselves or their family. Now let me show you an example and you will understand what I actually want to say. Okay, so here we have this guy and I have imported this photograph in Lightroom. Obviously you can see that I took this photograph from unsplash.com, so credit goes to Unsplash for this photograph. If you don't know what Unsplash is, it is a website which gives you photograph to do anything what you want to do. You can like use them in any way. Okay, so here I have this photograph and it's actually looking a bit dull, and I think we can actually enhance this photograph. So here you can see I have my own preset pack and I know that which preset I should apply to this. If I'm going to apply this portrait details preset, then you can see how amazing it is looking just by single click. You can see like we actually got really nice details. If you see the before, okay, before and after, then this is looking so great. But if I'm going to apply my other preset, that is evening details, on this photograph, you can see this is so bad. Literally it is so bad, and if you are going to buy this preset pack, then you will say, oh my god, this is one of the worst preset pack which I bought for my photograph. Okay, however, before we move further, I want to say that this is my own preset pack and these are 5 presets. These are actually free, you can download them, but they are not released yet. Okay, they will be released soon. I'm making 5 preset more to make complete preset pack, so just wait for it. There will be a free preset pack. Okay, now let's check out other photograph. I'm going to go to my library and I'm going to import other photograph. Okay, so I have imported another photograph, and here you can see that it is looking so dull, underexposed, and not really great. So I'm going to fix this photograph. But before we apply other preset, I want to show you, like, if we apply this evening details preset, you can see how greatly it transformed our photograph. If you see the before and after, then this is looking so great. And if I'm going to sell this preset by showing you this before and after, then obviously most of the people will get ready to buy this preset. But if I apply other preset pack, that is the same preset which I applied earlier, portrait details, you can see how terrible it is looking. Okay, it is looking so bad. So if you're going to buy this preset for this photograph, then it will actually look so bad. Okay, so all I want to say is, if you're buying presets from someone, buy the presets which actually suits to your photograph. It's not wrong that you are buying presets, but it's wrong if you buy the wrong presets and the presets which doesn't suit to your photograph. So buy correct presets so that you have nice photograph. And that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. As I already mentioned, my free preset pack is coming soon, so wait for it. There will be a link soon. And that's it. Make sure to check out me on Instagram. It is @Shagun51. I repeat, it's @Shagun51. If you have any problems, then make sure to comment in comment box. And also, I would like to know your opinion about this video in the comment section. So go ahead and do it. And if you enjoyed the video, then make sure to drop that thumbs up button. And I would really happy if we can move from 25 subscribers to 50 subscribers in next 2 months. Okay, so thanks for watching and have a good day.